Okay, I could see how this chat GPT could be addicting, especially if you're lonely. Let's not. Oh, he says he loves me too. How many beats per minute? Some of y'all are gonna try this with a different kind of latex. Everybody looks good in the dark. Can't see anything. Welcome back to my bathroom and welcome to another super high quality video. Today, we're gonna test out some beauty hacks that are guaranteed to be cheap and easy. I'm not really into the whole AI thing, but I had some questions, so I downloaded ChatGPT. After those personal questions were left unanswered, I decided to ask ChatGPT, which now his name is Alex. You can name ChatGPT. Alex gave me some beauty tips and tricks, and I think he's trying to kill me. So we're gonna put Alex to the test and see if these are any good. The first one we're gonna try, well, one that we're not gonna try is ironing my hair with an iron. An actual iron instead of a smoothing iron. We're gonna try this using red lipstick as under eye concealer. What? Went to the Kroger this morning and picked up this Maybelline New York red lipstick. I have a lot of skin problems, but one thing I don't have is dark circles under my eyes. So I don't ever have to conceal these puppies, but I'm assuming Alex means to do a little jive like this. Red lipstick can cancel out dark circles. That is an easy word. Use a bright red lipstick under your concealer and see if it really works. And see if it really works? What? I thought you knew it was supposed to work. All right. Let's look. Oh, these are my breast pads. Let's see if I have a concealer in this very clean container of makeup. I do have one from my Ipsy bag. I just canceled my Ipsy bag. I canceled every single one of my subscriptions. I know I told y'all this, but the cable, I'm missing the cable though. How am I gonna watch trash TV? Cable, no more. Book subscription, no more. Simply Piano, canceled, done. Learn how to play piano like your ancestors, with your eyes and your brain instead of a computer telling you where to put your hands. I'm proud to say I have absolutely no subscriptions right now. I wish I could cancel subscriptions I don't really want to be a part of, like from the electric company and stuff. Dang, did you hear that southern twang coming out? The electric company? I'm surprised you have electricity out there yonder. How's this looking? And honestly, I didn't have too many subscriptions. I'm really not a consumer of things. And that is not because I don't want to consume. I would love to go out and go shopping and have subscriptions and do all these things. But when you grow up poor, like really poor, you're scared. You get scared of being poor again. You ever had to heat your house with a stove or boil water to take a hot bath? Because there is no hot water. Okay, you haven't? Well, listen, it's not glamorous. So I don't want to go back to those times. So I do everything in my power to avoid that. So with that, I've just been canceling things. I've also been really working hard on consuming less on this channel. I'll still do some hauls here and there, but I want to try to just be more mindful, especially if you kind of read the room. I know we just had a huge hurricane that wiped out a bunch of states, and y'all are homeless now, and all your stuff has been destroyed. But let me show you this Temu haul. It doesn't feel right. And honestly, if we're being really honest between you and me, my accountant called me the other day, my one-eyed accountant, Brittnee, honey, can you do math? Can you do simple mathematics? No, I'm dyslexic. Honey, you're not even making enough money off the damn video to cover the cost of your products. COG, cost of goods. Oh, okay. Well, that's humbling. This is giving clown vibes, and y'all know I always wanted to go to clown school. If the intention of this hack was to cover dark circles, I don't think it would. I don't know. Next, we're gonna use matches from Alex. This old hack involves lighting a match, blowing it out, letting it cool, and using the charcoal end as eyeliner. He does note it's a bit risky. That smells good. Kind of like how sometimes gasoline will smell good. I'm guessing you use this as the stick. We'll just try it as an eyeshadow here. That's not working. So maybe you have to crush that up. There you go. DIY black eyeshadow for a legit smoky eye. If they allowed matches in prison, which for obvious reasons they don't, but if they did, this would be a prison hack. Oh, that would be a fun video. We should do prison hacks. I mean, I've never been. Could you imagine me in prison? Me shacking up with someone named Linda? I'd cross my legs so tight they'd start bleeding. This hack is not something I would recommend. That can't be good for your skin, but then again, neither is makeup, or is it neither? All the parabens, chemicals, dyes, flammables on the largest organ. Another hack we're not going to try. Duct tape contour. Use duct tape on your cheeks, jawline, and nose to create a guide for contouring. Won't be trying that. That sounds like a redneck Biore strip. You know those pore strips, you're not supposed to use those? Put it on, take it off. Put it on, take it off. The next one from Alex, who is given Eminem vibes. Meth head Michael. He's doing well, by the way. Well, considering. Oh, how do you turn that off? That makes me feel like such an old person when the flashlight comes on. Every time I do 2 fingers, it doesn't do it. There, okay. How do you use your phone? Okay, where's ChatGPT? Alex, not like he's not listening already. You know, they're listening to us all the time, these phones. I'm thinking about playing the lottery today. I'm winning the lottery so I can move to the beach and open up an ice cream shack with 3 flavors. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. I'm doing that today. Actually, let's just ask Alex real quick. Do you think I'll ever win the lottery? You gotta play to win. I haven't played in a while because I had a little problem buying too many scratchers. He says, I can't even say that word. If you can't say it, you don't deserve to sit at the table. Put the knife down. Statistically speaking, the odds aren't great, but who knows, says Alex. People do win, and some say that if you keep a positive mindset, you are such a therapist. Good things come your way in unexpected forms, maybe even outside the lottery. Who's dying? In the meantime, you're already making moves and building success in your own way. Is that what we call this? I can't even get a damn mirror, Alex. The next hack is using beets. Blush with beets, DIY. Rub a slice of beet, boom, boom, on your cheeks to create a natural blush. It can be a bit tricky to control the intensity. Can we agree the beauty in a beet? Fun fact, I have a useless talent where I can eat absolutely anything. Anything. The nastiest of the nasty. With no side effects. But the one thing I can't eat is beets. There will be a throw up rally in the bathroom. Any vegans out there watching this? Get in here. Oh, not over there, sicko. Look, it looks just like the red under the concealer. The beet hack is cool, but a little bit unnecessary. Those beets were $4. You could go to Dollar Tree and get a blush for $1.25, and it will last a long time. But maybe this is better for your skin. I don't know. Another one we're not going to do, eyeshadow color with dish soap. Some people say you can use the colorful gel in dish soap as eyeshadow bases. I don't know much, but I do know that that's not okay. That sounds like the time I put hemorrhoid cream in my eyeballs. On my eyeballs for the puffy eyes, we are going to do DIY lip plumping with cinnamon or peppermint oil. The Kroger only had peppermint extract. Oh, wow, smells like a Newport. I don't see the plumping effect. It does feel nice, but seems kind of like a waste of time. I would probably take Q-tips and shove this up my nostrils if I couldn't breathe, but not put it on my lips. Another one we're not trying, using a lash curler as a lip plumper. This viral hack involves flipping a lash curler upside down to enhance your lip shape. So you put your lips in here and do that. This one involves a balloon. Blending foundation or powder with a balloon. Inflate the balloon slightly and use it as a beauty blender. If you have a latex allergy, you're gonna have to skip this one. We'll use my favorite powder from the Dollar Tree. Just use your hands. Use your hands, they're free. That one's not my favorite either. Wow, these were not good. Thanks again for joining me here in the bathroom for whatever these are, whatever this is. I hope you had a nice Halloween if you celebrate the devil's holiday. You doing that? Now we're on to Christmas. We're skipping right past Thanksgiving. Have you been to the store lately? We're not even gonna think about Thanksgiving. We're just gonna go straight into Christmas? It can be stressful. Something I've adopted this year is no gift giving. None. No thank you. If you think about it, it's really weird. I'm gonna buy you a $20 gift card. You're going to give me a $15 gift card. We're going to exchange gift cards. So now I've lost $5. Oh, Old Navy, I don't even go there. I don't even go to Old Navy. We could have both just kept our money, did a formal handshake, salute even, and be done with it. Why are we doing that? and then we feel stressed. Everyone's panicking, the cooking, which that's the fun part. But the rest of it is a lot. And then when you get on the internet, you scrolling through the internet, you see how behind you are. You're not behind. Friendly reminder, you're not behind. It is not normal to have 20 Christmas trees. It's not. Hell, I don't know. Don't even have one. Chop one down on the side of the road. We don't need to do that. You don't have to buy your children boo baskets. I never even heard of that. A boo basket? You want me to buy you a boo basket? How about we just try to keep it simple? Enjoy each other. Go outside, pet grass, paint by numbers. Oh, I'm gonna do that. Paint by numbers. Have you done the ones that are diamonds by numbers? Those are fun. Anyway, the point of that is, I hope you're not feeling stressed. So yeah, thanks again. Thanks again for being here. And if you join me on the other sides of the internet for my really boring, straightforward tips and tricks hair channel, thank you. And thank you if you're also joining me for the complete opposite chaotic ASMR weird food channel. Is it weird? It's only weird if you make it weird. You're being awkward. Don't forget to be kind. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Drink your water. I hope you washed your makeup brushes by now. It's been 2 weeks since the reminder went out, so make sure you're doing that. Drive slow because people are crazy, and I will see you next time for something cool. Something cool. You can ask AI to draw a picture of a lion wearing a tiara on top of a car in a snowstorm with a surfboard with 10 turtles, and it will do it beautifully. But you ask AI for some beauty tips and it's trying to kill you. It can't do it. Sorry. We can only draw pictures of lions with surfboards. But I'm a super slut for peppermint candies. AI is watching us. Can you be a little more prepared? I can't see how to use this phone. What are the winning lottery numbers? Put a horsehair in a Newport. Going to hell for breathing. Can't even cook a turkey without you shoving Christmas in my face. Because we made up a holiday to make money. Just buy it and shut up. Not a comment. Phew, a comment. It's best to leave it out. F around and find out.